In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to target mobile traffic in Outbrain. If your goal is to reach people on phones or tablets, setting up device targeting correctly in the Outbrain DSP is essential. Done right, it keeps your budget focused on the users most likely to engage while preventing wasted impressions on devices you don't want. First, log in to your Outbrain DSP account. Once you're in, choose whether to create a new campaign or open an existing one that you want to refine. The device settings live in the same place for both paths, so pick whichever suits where you are in your workflow. Inside the campaign workspace, navigate to the targeting section. This is the hub for audience controls, and you'll find a specific area for device type. Look for the list that includes desktop, smartphone, and tablet. These options tell the platform which devices are eligible to see your ads. To target mobile traffic, select the mobile devices you want to include. Choose smartphone to reach users on mobile phones. If your offer, creative, or landing page also performs well on larger handheld screens, you can include tablet too. Tablet is optional, and whether you add it depends on your strategy. Some advertisers prefer phone only for sharper focus, while others see incremental scale and strong engagement from tablet users. If you only want mobile traffic, be sure to uncheck desktop. That one box controls whether your campaign can serve on computers. Leaving desktop selected, even unintentionally, will broaden your delivery beyond mobile and dilute your spend. Take a moment to confirm the combination you want. Smartphone selected, tablet selected, or not based on your plan, and desktop unchecked for a mobile-only approach. As you toggle these options, you may notice the estimated reach or audience size update. That's normal and helpful. Use it as a quick sense check that your selections are narrowing to mobile inventory. Also consider the user experience. Fast-loading, responsive pages, and concise creative usually perform best on phones, while longer content can benefit from the added screen real estate on tablets. When everything looks right, click Save and Continue. This applies your device targeting choices to the campaign and ensures your ads are shown only to mobile users, and tablets if you opted in. You can always return to the targeting section later to adjust these settings as performance data comes in. And that's it. By selecting smartphone, optionally adding tablet, and deselecting desktop, you've cleanly targeted mobile traffic in Outbrain and set your campaign up for focused, on-the-go engagement.